baby whale there with little creases on her side.
I saw that.
Yeah, there she is.
Yeah.
That's from being in a horseshoe shape inside her mom.
Oh my God.
So when they're tucked away for 12 to 14 months, they get
gosh.
those creases. And it takes a few years for them to turn black and to...
Oh, look, there's a little one. You got video? Mark's doing a video. Look, there's 1, 2. There's 3 more, 3 more. Oh my gosh. They're getting closer, guys.
No questions?
What did they eat?
Oh! They eat people. Who's going? Favorite food is calamari.